up, y'all? It's youre. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Been down, girl. What's up? How you doing? Kind of in a hurry, but I want to do my makeup, so gonna do something real simple today. Tap in, no foundation, just concealer. Take this LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fun. Now I'm taking my air spooling and translucent extra recovery. Let's contour. Let's contour. Revolution Glow Ultra Matte Bronze. And it got cute little mirror like this. Now gonna go in with some mascara. This is the NARS by Max mascara. I didn't poke myself in the eye. Okay, because my shirt say something about eyeliner. I am gonna put some eyeliner on. Look, you see it, look at it. I'm not perfect, but my liner is. Ooh, period. Thank God my eyeliner wanted to cooperate with me today. I did good today. I'm not gonna wear no lipstick today. Only thing I'm putting on my lips is I'm gonna line them and I'm gonna put some lip gloss on. Okay, I put on my lashes, y'all, and I promise that's all I'm about to do. I'm about to take this Kiss New York Professional. Y'all know drill. Okay, guys, that's it for this look. If you stay to the end, thank you so much. You know, it is very much appreciated. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel at It's Youre. Also, I will be dropping another vlog on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Bye, guys.